Yes. So we're going to start, yeah. All right. Now we have to. Maybe I will change the background first. So I'm going to just I will deactivate the. All right. Ready? I want you to have to prepare 2 pieces of paper. Now.
You're gonna have 2 each.
Paper first. You're going to use one of them first, like this. And then this is my paper. Right? And then don't forget, can you please help show me your marker? Marker. Hi. Right, let's start. Oh wait, maybe somebody will need to some
Liatin aja, dia mau ngeliatin gambar, gak usah ngerti bahasa Inggris kakak.
Oke, kita mau mulai. Oke, sudah siap kertasnya belum?
Udah.
Sudah? Kalau sudah, ayo kita akan mulai ya. Kita mau menggambar. So today we're going to have 2 classes. The first one will be start on 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. now, and then next will be on 7 p.m. Yeah? After buka puasa. Okay, sekarang kita mulai. We're going to draw a building. A building with a little bit yeah, overlapping, and then this will be a little bit adding the 2 different. Okay, ready? First of all, you have to draw one line first, straight. Gambar dulu garis lurus ke bawah, like this. Boleh tinggi, boleh rendah. Can be up, can be a little bit long. Okay. Now we have to go a little bit.
Oh, you mean the
Itu loh.
Okay.
like number 1.
Yeah, like T. Like letter T.
No, like arrow.
Then you draw again. You no need to use ruler ya. Tidak perlu pakai penggaris.
It's okay.
Belajar pakai tangan sendiri. Oh, jadi 3D building. Yeay.
Tarik garis lurus Nana.
Ya. Kalau sudah, gambar lagi garis lagi di atas, satu lagi di sini. Wah, tinggi banget garisnya. Sorry, susah kalau gambarnya garisnya miring ya. Like this. Gambar lagi satu garis lagi. Boleh ditebelin garisnya.
Ada penggaris gak?
Please. Ya, kalau mau pakai penggaris juga boleh.
Tapi kalau nggak ada.
Kalau nggak ada penggaris, ya, you can use your ruler or you can use your free hand. Draw a straight line like this. As usual, draw a T letter again. Ya, like this, a pointer. This one. Dan garis lagi, satu garis ke bawah. Wow, seperti ini ya. Okay. Yeah, like that. Good job. Wow. Sekarang tengah sudah ada building, sebelah juga sudah ada. Now we can just repeat the step, ya. Repeat the step. Ulangi langkahnya sekali lagi. Now Mr. A mau gambar di sini, tapi ini agak rendah buildingnya.
Can I make it more?
We have to draw the one line in the middle first, like this. Yeah, and then start to draw another arrow sign again, but this one, Mr. A make it a little bit more wider. Mr. A bikinnya lebih besar yang ini ya, kayaknya.
Panjang.
Iya, arrow-nya lebih panjang.
Lebih besar, Mbak.
Wah, kita udah buat gambar banyak nih. Now we create a lot of buildings. Okay, sekarang Mr. A mau lihat. Tori, can you show your drawing first, please? Can you show your drawing first? I want to check your. Okay, good job. Oh my goodness, you create 4 buildings. Good job. Now I want Nico. Nico, can you show your drawing, please? Yes, correct, Nico. If you can use your ruler, that will be better. But if you want to use your freehand, it's also okay. You have to trust yourself, okay? Now somebody are waiting here. Ready? Right. Coba aku pengen lihat Aryani Wiastari. Oh, maybe this one is Ruth. Hi, Ruth. How are you today? Can you show me your drawing, please? Good. 2 thumbs up for Ruth. Thank you, Ruth. Hi, Glenn.
Hello, Mr. Al.
Yeah, come on, Glenn. You have to prepare your paper like this first. And then, actually, today we're talking about the futuristic city, while we also will draw a flying car and everything. All right, this is how we draw the buildings, yeah? Ready? I will draw another building at the back of this building, okay? This is the way how to draw it, Glenn. You can see this. Draw one line first like this in the middle. It's supposed to be in the middle. Then you draw the T letter like this first, like a pointer. Yeah. If as best as you can, if it's possible, you can draw 1 or maybe 5 or 6 or overlap things like this. Then straight the line here. We draw the line. One straight line that goes to the bottom like this. Sorry, I don't use ruler, so it means that the lines not very nice. I hope you can get it. Ya. Sekarang misalnya mau bikin lagi, I'm going to start to draw another building at the back. As usual, draw the one line first in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah. You can use your ruler. Glenn, Nico, or Sienna, or Ruth, you can use your ruler, yeah? And try to draw overlap building. It will be so awesome if you can do it. Then, Mr. Al, draw again. One more. Okay. To draw the line straight from the top to the bottom like this. Yay! I'm done. I want to show. How about you? So this is the Funka. The Funka make it like this.
We can draw one more building here.
Yeah. And then how about Bella? Bella, hi Bella. Can you show your drawing, please? I want to see the progress. Wow, yeah, like that. That is correct, Bella. Now this is the fun part, okay? We are going to add the windows. The windows on this part of the building. All right, this one looks so flat. I want you to decorate it with windows, with a lot of square and rectangle and circle.
This is a crowd city.
Yeah, actually this one is a bit hard because we're talking about the perspective also, but in this time, because we are now facing the grade 2 until grade 4, so I just want to make it more easy for you. Just draw windows following the line like this.
Windows.
Yes. Was it Glenn too? Show your drawing, Glenn.
What? Mine?
Can you show your drawing, please?
Oh.
Okay. Remember that after this drawing, yes, Glenn, come on, show your drawing first.
I am not done.
Okay, you're not done. Okay, we're going to decorate all this building with the windows. It's okay with this not.
Misalkan aja the window some of them is square, some of them is
Okay. You can create random windows. It can be like mixed between circle and square or rectangle with triangle. It's up to you. This is a step for you guys to modify all of your drawing. Yeah,
my windows are the basic shapes.
Yes, and don't forget, actually, we are going to
do another one.
Yeah, no, we're going to present each participant here will present their work in like 1 or 2 minutes. So we're going to stop until 20 minutes from now, and then every kid will need to present their work. All right, this one is done. We're going to use another paper. All right, are you done with this one? Hi, Chacha. Chacha, brother, teacher.
I am not done.
You're done? Glenn, can you show me your drawing, please?
My drawing. Right.
Niko gimana?
I'm
Sudah
gonna
bisa
add
pakai
my
itu belum? Jendelanya, Windows-nya. Ayo Niko, buat jendelanya. Yes, like that. So very nice. How about Ruth? Can you show us your drawing, Ruth? Wow, Ruth ini masih kindergarten tuh loh, teman-teman. Dia masih TKA atau TK. Wah, keren banget, Ruth. Thank you so much, Ruth. Now you can continue add more windows. Yeah, on every building. Right, we still have 10 more minutes ahead. We have to work faster because we only have 14 minutes to finish this lesson. And I want you guys to learn something cool for today. To create a futuristic city. Right, now if you're done with the buildings, we're going to draw a flying car. Yeah, we're going to draw a flying car, a plane, or a jetpack person in another paper.
Can I draw my imagination there?
Car. All right, Sienna, Tori, and Ruth, and Glenn, I give you 1 more minute to stop working because we're going to go to another step, which is making the flying car using a new paper. Tori, use new paper, please.
I need new paper.
Going to draw a flying car, yeah? Yay. So for flying car, I give you a 100 trust to make your own flying car in imagination.
I'm going to draw a floating.
Don't worry to make mistakes. I trust you to make your own flying car. It can be a normal car. It can be a car with the wings on the left on the right side. Or
Flying car?
yeah, just draw a flying car now,
I'm
Glenn.
going to make my imagination.
Yeah, Mr.
I want to make the road first. I'm gonna make the road.
All right. You're going to make the road first? Okay.
Anyway.
Draw the road actually, guys. You just need to draw a flying car. Mr. I will start with the triangles. Things like
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it.
It can fly.
you can follow me or you can use your own imagination, okay? All right, now we're going to go to next step. Bella, use new paper for drawing a flying car. This will be happen maybe in 2010 or maybe 2015, but that will be your era, guys. Old and you will be
2010. We're in 2020.
yeah, that will be your era, Glenn. Mr. O will be so old and you will be the next generation. Flying car.
I'm gonna be the next generation.
Yes. Right. I'll try to draw a flying car with the triangle. You can use your own way. Niko boleh pakai cara Niko sendiri gambar car bikin flying car. Tapi Mr. A boleh juga contoh Mr. A, boleh ikut Mr. A. Mr. A mau coba pakai triangle ya. Ini adalah in the next flying car. Based on my imagination.
Airplane. My imagination airplane.
Yes, you can use your imagination airplane. Oh, maybe this one is not a car. Maybe this one is not a car. This one is maybe a spaceship or maybe a futuristic ship. Who's that? Sarah siapa itu ya? Tori nama adiknya siapa?
What?
What is your sister's name?
Rachel.
Rachel. Oh iya, Rachel. Rachel kelas berapa? Kelas 1.
Pan.
Kelas 4.
Kelas 1. Lah, kok kelas 4?
Okay. Mr. A will draw a futuristic spaceship like this. Start with triangle like this.
Future spaceship.
Yes. Futuristic transportation like Hey, how is it, Bella? Can you draw a spaceship or a car or something flying? Yeah, this one is a simple one. You can follow me or you can use your own imagination. Okay, Tori, this is hard or what? Is this hard? A spaceship?
No.
Okay, good. How about you, Ruth? Can you draw your spaceship, Ruth?
Finish yet.
Not finished yet? All right, good then.
I'm gonna make a car, but it is flying car.
Okay, good.
I already make a car with wings.
All right, good. Now, I will only have to draw 2. Guys, maximum transportation that you draw is only 3. Maximum is 3. Draw 3 car or 3 spaceship or 3 yeah, somebody's flying or something like that, but only 3, yeah, because we don't have much time.
I'm already done.
Oh, I have a very small sound. Yeah, sorry, suaranya kecil katanya. Oke, Mr. Awa akan teriak-teriak. Woi. Sudah ya, kalau sudah diwarnain. Come on, we have to color our spaceship. Mr. A mau warnain spaceshipnya pakai pink aja deh. Anda punyanya.
You need to color it. You need to color them.
Yo, kita akan warnain spaceshipnya. Just forget about the building first. We need to color our spaceship or car. No need to draw so many cars, yeah. No need to draw so many spaceships. Okay, Mr. I already draw 2 spaceships.
Mata sama kakinya enggak ya?
Kamu nggak bikin?
Mata apa sih? Apa sih? Ini.
Yang mekar kayak gitu loh, pada jendela gitu.
Alright. So we're ready to drawing our spaceship now. It's time for us to color our spaceship. Yay! Alright, for those who just joined, we only have 10 minutes. Actually, I really need you guys to be on time. Usually, Mr. R already prepared since 5 minutes before the time. Then, if you guys want to join, maybe tonight will be Mr. R will be online again on 7 PM ya. Ya, malam hari ini kita akan ada kelas lagi jam 7 malam. Jadi kalau teman-teman hari ini telat,
Ya, berarti itu yang tadi.
I cannot do it because we have to keep on moving. Ready? Now we have to color the spaceship first. Okay, so our color is the color, ya. Hi Bella, how is it?
It's color. I need to color. Bukan yang diwarnain kuning sama itu Jojo kakinya itu warna hijau.
Yeah. How is it, Bella? Can you? Alright.
Kakinya satu tuh.
How if I give you next 40 minutes after this? Is it okay? Yeah. After this, I think we need more session ya. Jadi setelah kelas ini, Mr. A akan kasih buka kelas lagi, hanya break 5 minutes after that you can join again. Okay, after
Break again. Okay. It's okay.
Okay, I need some scissors. Can you help me find some scissors, please? Oh, this one, no. Right. After you draw the spaceship, I want you to cut it.
Sit.
I want you to cut the spaceship. Like this. Niko boleh bikin spaceshipnya sesuai dengan imajinasi Niko sendiri ya. Misalnya coba kasih contohnya yang simple aja. I try to make it simple. If you want to make it complicated with your own imagination, you can make it. Okay, just draw it based on your imagination. Right, Glenn, gimana Glenn sudah selesai?
I need blue.
Blue. Oh, Caca. Hai, Caca. Caca siapa namanya ya? Caca ya? Just Caca. Okay. Hai, Caca.
Lain ke atas.
Yeah, I'm using the wrong idea. Right. After I'm done with this one, I'm going to add it one more. One more step, yeah.
Again. Rasanya kok diwarnain, Mbak?
Nah,
Mbak lah. Kuning diwarnain. I'm drawing gradation, Mr. Al.
oh, you're using gradation?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool then.
I'm from Indonesia too.
Yeah, good job, Ruth. If you know already how to use gradation color, you can apply it on your drawing.
But I don't have dark.
I know the perfect color for my color.
Yes. Right. This have to be done fast. Yeah. Like, oh my goodness, 25 minutes. We only have 3 more minutes. I want you to cut.
Cut.
Udah, kalian udah pada ngiruin.
I'm using all the same colors.
Hi, Kathleen. Hi, Kathleen.
I'm using all the same colors.
Don't be shy, everyone. This is our club. You can just talk with your friend. You can communicate with some of your friends here. You can be a friend here. Yay! All right. How is it? This is made by Levanka. A rocket like this.
Bikin roket.
And then the fire is blue.
Yeah. Right. If you notice that we already draw our city, right? Then I'm going to stick this is my spaceship wherever I want here. Cool later on. But before we stick this one on our paper, I will let you know what is the next step that we are going to do later on.
Ini pensilnya sini kok.
This one is airplane.
Bikin
Right.
Itu gambaran saya belum.
Okay, this is my spaceship.
This one is the hardest to count.
You can draw 1 until 5 spaceship.
Tadi katanya nggak boleh pakai penggaris.
Ya, boleh pakai penggaris, tapi lebih bagus nggak pakai penggaris, karena kita mau belajar gambar sesuatu tanpa penggaris dengan tangan kita sendiri. Ya, right?
This cool.
Yeah. So guys, if we are running out of time, maybe I need to do some. Yeah, I will invite you to another Zoom, and then we're going to use that moment to present our work later. Yes, Glenn, cut it. Cut it, Glenn. Cut your.
another session the next time. Mister, how do we know about your Zoom ID meeting?
Itu dinyalain mic-nya.
Because I got this from my friend.
Okay. Get my poster.
Boleh tahu nomor handphonenya?
Oke, 0856
Ya.
0856 912
Sorry, 0856.
912
Ya.
90081.
Sorry.
0856 912 90081.
1102 01 ya?
0856 912
Ya.
90081. Aku tulis di chat ya, Men.
Oh iya boleh.
Bentar ya. 08. Kayaknya kalau cuma 40 menit adik-adik kita nggak ini. Jadi nanti akan break 5 menit. Kita mau break 5 menit. Terus Mr. A mau kirim lagi passwordnya, baru kita akan ke kelas session lagi. Ya,
Ini sebelumnya kelasnya di mana sih, Mister?
Ya.
Sebelumnya nih kalau tempat lesnya di mana?
Oh, ini bukan les, Ibu. Saya kasih tutorial gratis untuk anak belajar.
Oh, gitu.
Ada mereka bosan.
Sering bikin beginian?
Ya.
Sering bikin beginian ya, acara begini ya?
Ya, kita setiap hari Rabu dan hari Jumat kita akan kumpul.
Oh, setiap Rabu dan Jumat. Oke. Jamnya sama, jam 2?
Jam 2.
Oke. Nanti saya lihat ininya ya.
Ya, coba. Biasanya kita punya grup. Oke, sudah story sekarang. Oke, sekarang kan kita menggunakan kertas, ya kan? I don't want you to wasting the paper, okay? I want you to using this paper, and then fold it into 2 or 3 like this. Dilipat. Ya, kertas bekasnya dilipat beberapa kali, 4 kali seperti ini. Lalu ditempel di bagian belakang ininya, apa namanya, spaceshipnya. Adik-adik, kita nggak boleh, kita harus memikirkan 3R ya, recycle. So I want you to use your, to recycle your paper by, fold some of them like this. I show it to you one more time. This is my paper, and I'm going to read it a little bit like this. And then after this one, I will fold it like this. 1, 2, 3, until it's a bit smaller like this. 4. And then after this one, I'm going to use just use glue stick like this. Then glue it. Glue this paper like this, and then this one we're going to stick it at the back of our spaceship. Kita akan menempelkan kertas bekas ini yang sudah dilipat di belakang spaceship yang sudah kita buat, supaya nanti ada dimensi, nanti akan terlihat 3D dan itu akan keren banget. Ya, seperti ini, baru kita tempel di background yang sudah kita buat seperti ini. Wah, keren banget kan? Ada spaceship. Oke, Mr. mau tempel ya. Mr. menggunakan lem kertas. And then saya pasang ininya. Don't forget to put some paper at the back of your spaceship like this one.
Paper something.
Right. See this, I show it closely. This one, and then I just stick it here. And
see, that's way.
This will be my drawing with the spaceship. It will look pretty and nice.
Yeah.
Like that.
Then fold into 2.
Jendela terbuka.
Okay, I think we need one more session. Biasanya Mr. A kasih satu momen buat adik-adik menjelaskan tentang gambarnya. So after this, kita kayaknya masih bisa menggunakan link ini lagi, link Zoom ini lagi. Kita akan langsung online lagi ya. Ya, good job Rachel. Kita akan coba satu session lagi ya, 40 menit ke depan. Jadi nggak usah takut teman-teman, teruskan menggambarnya, teruskan mengguntingnya. Kita akan buka lagi satu session setelah ini. Kita masih punya 7 menit, silakan. Kalau mau gambar banyak juga spesifik sekitar sini boleh. Tapi caranya untuk menempelkan spesifiknya seperti ini. First of all, we have to cut our spaceship, right? Yes.
Stick it up here and here.
Okay. Then, don't throw this paper ya. Jangan dibuang kertas ininya, karena kita akan menggunakan kertas ini sebagai alas atau sebagai bagian dari spesifik kita. Ini spesifiknya seperti ini teman-teman. Ini kertas bekas Mr. Al, kertas bekasnya Mr. Al lipat seperti ini. Lihat lipat kertasnya. Karena kita harus taking care of our environment, our earth, so don't wasting paper. Seperti ini. Mr. Al lipat-lipat jadi seperti ini tuh. Oke. Setelah itu Mr. Al kasih lem di bagian depannya. Ya, betul Niko. Niko, betul seperti itu. Good job, Niko. Sekarang ditempel di bagian belakang spesifiknya. Ini spesifik Mr. Al. Thank you. Terus ditempel di sini tuh. Seperti ini ditempel. Nah, seperti ini dia udah nempel. Bagian belakang. Ini akan menimbulkan release nanti atau ada efek 3-dimensionalnya nanti. Seperti ini. Ya, setelah itu ditempel di sini. Lagi dikasih lem bagian ininya. Lalu kita akan tempel di background yang sudah kita buat.
And starlight.
Tempel di bagian yang sudah kita buat tadi background. Boleh di sini atau di bagian bawah juga boleh. Misalnya di mana ya? Oh, di sini. Seperti ini. This is our
This is my drawing.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, one by one. Okay.
Apa ya ini?
Oke, kita akan mulai dari Glenn ya, Glenn. Ready, Glenn? You have to present your work. Ready? 1, 2, go.
So this is my work. I drawed a flying cars and a flying home.
Okay.
I colored them with gradation and I put some paper on the back so it's gonna make a 3D effect. I put my drawings on the city.
Is it hard for you to draw like that, Glenn?
No, I already seen the real car before.
Thank you, Glenn. I give you 2 thumbs up for Glenn. All right, next will be wait. Will be Devanka, yeah. Ready, 1, 2. So after this will be Ruth and Bella. Bella, you have to be prepared. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Hi, this is my drawing. First, I draw the background first, the building.
Then
Then I draw this one, the airplane, the spaceship, and the flying car. And then I cut it. Then I use the waste paper and stick it here
at the back.
at the back.
And then?
Then I stick it to the background.
All right, thank you, Devanka. I give you 2 thumbs up for your work. Now it's time for Bella. Come on, Bella. 1, 2, go. Hi, Bella. Louder, please, Bella. We cannot hear you.
The white paper. I stick it to the building.
Okay, can I see your flying car, your spaceship, your rocket maybe? We cannot see you, Bella. Oh, like that. Make it a little bit more higher, please, Bella.
Like,
Wow, guys, see that? Bella's creating a very nice building and
I cannot see it
a
clearly.
flying spaceship. Very cool, Bella. Okay, Bella, thank you. I give you 2 thumbs up. Give 2 thumbs up for Bella, please. Thank you, Bella. Nice job. Right, next will be Buya. Ayo, siapa kira-kira? Oke, kita masih punya 1 menit lagi. Setelah ini, kalau misalnya ini selesai, teman-teman buka aja lagi linknya. Kita akan coba gabung lagi ya. Kalau ininya selesai mati, berarti kita akan mulai lagi. Nanti teman-teman minta bantuan Mami and Daddy untuk pakai koneksi Zoom-nya yang sama. Upload-nya juga pasti yang sama. Right? Yuk, kita akan mulai di kelas baru. Glenn, please use the name, ID, numbers, and password. And we're going to meet 1 more minute from now. We will use the new Zoom screen.
Adik, ini apa ya, Dek?
Okay?
Can you send it to me?
Apa ya?
Okay, I'm going to send it to you then. Okay, ready? 1, 2.